Welcome to our channel. If you're selecting a health insurance plan, follow these step-by-step instructions to choose the right deductible for your situation. Step 1. Understand what a deductible is. It's the amount you pay out of pocket for covered healthcare services before your insurance starts paying its share. Step 2. Review your family's medical history and expected healthcare needs. If you have ongoing conditions requiring regular care, consider how much you'll likely spend annually. Step 3. Compare plans with different deductible levels. High deductible plans typically have lower monthly premiums, but require more out-of-pocket spending before insurance coverage begins. Step 4. Calculate your total potential costs for each plan option. Add the annual premium to the deductible and maximum out-of-pocket cost to understand your worst-case scenario. Step 5. Consider your emergency savings and financial cushion. Choose a deductible you can afford to pay if you need significant medical care unexpectedly. Step 6. Evaluate whether you qualify for a health savings account with high deductible plans. HSAs offer tax advantages that can offset higher deductibles through tax-free contributions and withdrawals. Step 7. Factor in preventive care coverage. Most plans cover preventive services like annual checkups and screenings at no cost, even before you meet your deductible. Step 8. Review the plan's out-of-pocket maximum in addition to the deductible. This cap limits your total annual spending and is just as important as the deductible when choosing coverage. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.